welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday once again, guys, and may the fears be with all of you. Alright, so kamusta naman kayo, guys? So, it's actually 2:17 in the afternoon of Sunday, December 25, 5 days before Christmas. Lalapit tayo sa mic. Merry Christmas! Okay? So, I hope you guys are safe home. I know we have the opportunity na lumabas, gumala, to meet with friends with precautions. Pero, you know guys, for me personal lang naman to, I hope I don't get bashed with the viewers. It's still not wise to go out. Unless life and death siya, reasons, then you have a purpose to go out. Sadly, I'm still hearing mga sad news about the father of a friend passing away or the brother. So parang it's not yet done, right? So the virus, the COVID and all, it's not yet done. It's still around us. So I think deadma lang tayo, but it's still around us. Masarap gumala, admittedly, but at the end of the day, it's your call, it's your choice. Then be responsible na lang, take the protocol, but at the same time, accept kapag there's risk that you will have to bear because gumala ka. Alam mo yun? So, again, it's a personal decision, it's a personal choice. We all have that critical decision to do. Bahala kayo. Yun lang. Alright, so on to our happy topic today. Actually, ang ating recipe for today is Fiesta or Christmas ham. So, I did this from scratch. Actually, this is probably, yes, I think ito nga, ang pinakamahabang vlog na ginawa ko. It took me 8 days to complete this vlog. So, last week ko pa to na startan ng vlog. So, to be specific, wait, let me just look at the calendar. Last December 12 ko pa na-startan tong vlog na to, and we're just posting it December 20. So, it's because yung curing stage ng ham natin medyo matagal. But I assure you it's worth it. And again, as you know me in the kitchen, I simplify matters. So if you're interested to know about our Christmas ham and interested kayo to follow this and ihanda either sa Christmas or sa New Year, watch this video. Alright, it's cooking time once again, mga ka-kitchen. So, this time around, medyo mahaba ang ating recipe vlog. So, we will cook a Fiesta ham or a holiday ham. Ito yung mas matamis na ham na usong-uso pag Pasko. But, it's actually, ano bang day today? It's December 13. And the thing with this is kailangan siyang ibabad or preserve. I think the term is preserve for 5 to 7 days. And medyo matagal siya. So I plan to do it 7 days. So that means mga 20th of December pa natin siya magagawa, which is anong araw yun? Let me just quickly check. December 20 is a Sunday, next Sunday bale. So, that's 1 full week of fermenting. So, we have 1 kilo of pige. This is pork pige. It's a chunk. Hindi nyo pwedeng pahati. And for the first few 7 days, ang ating ingredients would be salt, sugar, and then the pink, ano nga tawag dito? I forgot tawag dito, the pink salt. The point of having this is para within the 7 days na nasa ref yung pigi nyo, wala siyang bacteria. So this will kill bacteria na pwedeng mag-build up sa pigi nyo. So it's really preserving it para by the time na gagamitin nyo yung ham nyo, sobrang sarap siya at yung intact na yung lasa niya for the 7 days na binabad siya. Okay? So we will start. Alright, so let's start na putting the mix. So for the salt, we need 2 tablespoon ng salt. I'm using rock salt. Okay. It's 1 and 2. Okay. And then for the sugar naman, we're using our refined sugar or the white sugar. We're gonna use 1.5. That's 1 and a half. Okay. One and a half sugar. And then for the pink salt naman, oops, sorry. We just need half a teaspoon of this. Kasi medyo nga matapang siya. Like that. Okay? And then we mix. Alright, so na-mix na natin yung ating powder ingredients. And now, we will now start massaging it sa buong part ng pork nyo. Okay? Make sure you spread it properly. Okay? Actually, that's the reason why I'm wearing gloves. Kasi nga ayoko siyang mahawakan. Okay? So, medyo frozen yung ating pige. Kasi I got this from Monterey. 1 kilo siya. And what we're doing right now is kinocure natin yung meat. Okay? Alright. So, natali na natin siya to make sure na it's well sealed and medyo circular yung ating ham. Kasi nga, wala tayo ng net for the Fiesta ham or the sweet ham. And this time around, ilalagay na natin siya sa container na airtight. Okay? So, this is what we're gonna use. And make sure yung sauce, ilagay nyo lahat. And dito siya for 7 days. Okay? Right? And then, we now put it sa baba lang ng ref. So, this is day 1. Actually, day 0 pala. Okay? So, this is where we put it sa baba. And we check in the next day. So, this is day 1. Okay. Nasaan na ba siya? Okay. So, this is day 1 of the... Hang on, sandali lang. Dami namin tambak sa ref. Well, that's life. This is day 1 of the curing of our Fiesta ham. Okay? And hindi ko siya mabuksan. Okay, check in. See, ayan no, nakikita nyo, meron siyang mga water. And what we're gonna do is flip it para both sides nabababad siya. Okay? And this is day 2 of our ham. Ang bigat na 1 kilo. Okay. Day 2 of our check-in. Oops, ang lamig. So, ikot na lang natin siya. Ganun lang gagawin nyo. Ayan, no? Ang ganda ng kulay niya, oh. Nagpipink na talaga yung meat natin. Ibig sabihin, nagpipenetrate na yung pink salt sa ating meat. So we will close it again to complete the 7 days. And this is day, booking ang Coke. Day 3. Okay. Siya natin. Wow. Yan siya, oh. Ang ganda ng color, no? And ito yung sasabi sa inyo, guys, oh. Nagwa-water na siya on its own. Yung nilagay natin siya sa day 0, wala yan lamang tubig. But, there. Ang dami yan ng katas. Okay? And that's from the salt and the pink salt na nilagay natin. So, nai-infuse na yung mga flavors nung babad natin. So, this is going to be yummy, 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 yummy. Alright, it's day 5. Actually, kahapon hindi ko siya na-check kasi busy ako. So, we're checking on the day 5 today. It's Friday and I think it's almost 12 o'clock. So, we're gonna check out ang tsura niya for the 5 araw. Hold on. So, this is the itsura of our... Ayan o, ganda na o. Really, really pink and warming na siya, okay? Medyo twirl lang natin siya. And ito yung sabi ko na mag-water siya o. Ayan siya. So, ikot lang natin siya. And massage yung konti before babalik nyo ulit. Okay. Yan. So, we're gonna check again tomorrow. Saturday. It's day 6. And one more day. Cooking time na siya. So, tignan natin kung ano itsura niya. Wow. Ang dami ng water o liquid o. Ang ganda na ng color, no? Kita nyo? Very pink. I tried to smell it. Wala naman siyang amoy. Talaga na papreserve siya. Naka-cure talaga siya ng pink salt. So, this is day 6. Tomorrow is day 7. And we cook it tomorrow. And we're now on day 7. Yan. Actually, kahapon, binawasan ko siya ng liquid kasi ang dami na. So, we will now cook this. It's the 7th day. Iluto natin siya sa pineapple juice. One cup of brown sugar. So, sa 1 kilo, 1 cup ng brown sugar. Okay? Actually, nakalimutan ko siyang lagyan ng 2 pirasong yan. Lawal ang bango. Okay. Alright, let's check in. So, this is probably mga almost 1.5 hours na siyang pinakukuluan sa pineapple and sugar. Okay, so papatayin na natin to and papalabigin na natin siya before we do the torch and glazing. And this is now our Fiesta ham. So, ilalamig lang natin siya, tatanggalin natin yung tali, and we will start glazing it. We will rub brown sugar around it, and we will torch it. Super, super torch. Ang sarap nito, I swear. I can't wait to taste it. Ang sarap ng amoy niya, guys. If you can just smell it. Okay. Alright, so we start glazing it. So we just generously rubbed yung ating pork with brown sugar all over, all sides. And then we start blow torching. Blow torching talaga, or torching it. Okay. And this is the finished product. So, let me just taste. Medyo malamig na siya. Ito siya, guys. Up close and personal. Up close and personal talaga. Let me just try it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ang sarap-sarap. Wala pang sauce to. So, we'll start cutting it kasi malamig na siya. Dahan-dahan lang. Oh. Sana kaya siya ng guys, look at that. Perfection. Okay. Let me slice. Gusto daw tikman ni Yaya. Kuha natin si Yaya ng isang slice. Dahan-dahan lang. Kasi para maganda siya. There. Okay, we slice it. Yan siya, guys, oh. Yup. Yeah, tikman mo. Sarap.
Oo, sarap.
Wala pa yung sauce, no?
Tamis.
Ang sarap nyo, guys. You should try this recipe. It's written sa description box below. Sobrang sarap.
Sarap, promise.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!